This is a pretty nice Kawasaki, classic Kawasaki styling, 650cc parallel twin, liquid cooled, very reliable, ABS, anti-lock brakes, the ring is on the other side, nice and modern. And this is a good balance between getting good fuel economy and having a classic naked bike that rides really well, and you've got a decent amount of power and torque for the road. This is definitely the best colour, Kawasaki green, perfect. And that's your speedo. This is what it's like in the cockpit. LCD screen. Although I will criticise Kawasaki here because the speedo goes to 150. No naked bike would do 150, especially being a parallel twin. Analog clocks, basic switch gear. The switches feel good, they feel Kawasaki, very well put together. Just that even this doesn't move, it's nice and tight. Fuel cap is easy to get to. Key goes in there. It's a nice place to be. And lovely green Kawasaki colours.